This is one of the lights that I'm talking about. If you leave it on, it's going to continue draining your battery. And when you try to start the vehicle, it won't start because even though it's showing that it has power, there's not enough volt to start the vehicle. Now, you might have a jump start cable and you can actually find someone with a vehicle and borrow their vehicle to jump start. But if you have jump start cable and you don't find somebody who you can borrow a vehicle to jump start, it won't help. So on this video, I'm gonna show you something that will really help. So come with me here. This is the LIFMOCER, the 500 amp, and it's a little jump start battery. It carries some juice in it that will help you jump start the battery. So when you order your package from that link on the description, that package will be delivered to you, and it's gonna look like something like this. LIFMOCER, and this particular one is 500 amp GS500 LIFMOCER. So this is how it's gonna come looking like, well wrapped. Actually, let's open it and see what's inside. Again, if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you click the subscribe button. Thank you guys for your support. So it's just a small package like this. Let's see the details, what comes inside. Wow, look. It comes with a nice pouch that you can actually put inside your car. And when it's low battery, you can actually charge it. It's a nice name right there, LIFMOCER. Where is this? Here we go. So inside, it's the unit itself. It's something small like a radio. You know those emergency radios. There is a button right here that's turn it on and off. And I think from this I can tell that it has a flashlight somewhere. I think it is it. Okay, let's first turn it on. Oh, it has an LED display right here. Right now it's charged at 85. And I believe the lights will come on. Well, oh, there we go. Very bright. So it's press and hold. And then the flashlight will turn on. And then it will signal. And then click on again. It will signal more frequent. Press another one and you turn it off. Now there is another hidden thing here. Open here. There is two USB right there. And then there is a Type-C charger. So you can charge your phone. Then there is this other one right here, and this is where I believe we're going to insert the terminal cables to jump start the vehicle. So that one stays there. Let's see what else comes in here. And here we go. So here are our jumpers. We have the black goes on the negative, and the red goes on the positive. And I think this is rubber protector. Stays like that. And I believe this goes right here. Let me see if there we go. Once you connect, there is an indicator right there. And now we are ready to jump start the vehicle. So there is red goes with the red terminal right there, and the black goes right there. So we're gonna start with the red one. Pop the cap up and connect like that. And then this one goes to the red terminal. You can either connect here or any other bare metal on this vehicle. Just connect like that, and now we are ready to jump start. As you can see, it turns green, and here we go. Here we go. Our vehicle is back on, and immediately come here and first you disconnect the negative first, and then you disconnect the positive. So, and that's how the LIFMOCER will do. It will help jumpstart your car, any vehicle, including the V8, the big trucks. It will also do the magic. Make sure you check it out on the description of this video. And this thing, you can charge it inside your car. Let me show you. So with the Type-C charger, and connect it on a car charger right there. So this is a Type-C, as you can see. And then on this LIFMOCER, when you open it here, there is a connection right here. And once you get it connected, you blink like that. Right now it's at 83%. And once it's full, it's gonna be 100%. Again, make sure you check it out on the description where you can buy it. You can't imagine how much it is. And they come in 3 versions. There is 3,000, I think 4,000 amps. All the links for the three version, there'll be a link on the description. Stay tuned. My name is Jeff Cowboy. Subscribe and stay tuned.